By replacing it with this cap, you can easily open Chinese tubes with just one touch. Until now, I think there have been tube holders for condiments that you could open with one hand like this. Now, there's a new version specifically for Chinese tube caps. The product includes a main cap and two nozzle types. You can see them on the back. You can use it with both triple-threaded and quadruple-threaded types. When you open the cap, the nozzle from earlier will come out here. That's the idea. When attaching it, open this cap from the side. Set it with a click so that it surrounds the nozzle you attached earlier. Since it opens up like this, it looks like it'll be easy to wash after you're done using it. And if you apply a strange twisting force to the joint in the middle here, there's a possibility it could tear. So please be a little careful when handling it. This is what it looks like when it's attached, but by switching to this cap, you can easily open it with one hand while cooking. You can use it as is, which saves time. With this, you can keep holding your chopsticks or spatula in one hand. You can open it with one hand and pour out the seasoning, making it convenient since you don't need both hands. It says you can use it for Chinese soup stock, dubanjiang, or tenmenjian. Alright, next up is this compact pack of trash bags. This one contains 15 30-liter bags. I introduced this kind of compact package of trash bags at Daiso before, but they're also being sold at Seria for 100 yen. This one has an opening in the center, so you can pull out the bags just like you would with tissues. Okay, I'll open it up a little. Oh, and after that, you just pinch here and take one out. Oh, I got it. Yes, it seems like the way I opened it wasn't very good, and when I pulled on the opening just now, it went all the way to the top, so please be careful when you take it out. Yes, but as you see, I could easily take out one sheet at a time. Since you can remove them clean, it's easy to leave them folded and carry them. If you need many, just grab them as is. They're also useful for outdoor activities. Speaking of trash bags, up until now, I think most of them were big and bulky, but with these, you can store them compactly. It's nice that they don't take up much space and aren't bulky too. I picked the 30-liter size this time, but there are other options. They're simple, semi-transparent garbage bags. If you're unsure how to store garbage bags, try these. Okay, next, I bought these divider cases. At the store I went to, there were 3 types available: 3 compartments, 4 compartments, and 6 compartments from this side. All of these are semi-transparent cases. The 4-compartment type is taller, and the dividers are firmly fixed in place. I think semi-transparent cases like these have been sold at Daiso and Muji before, but now Seria also has these with dividers. The 3-compartment type is long, narrow, and fairly tall. One of the features of the case is that the corners are slightly rounded. This divider is firmly fixed in place. You can also stack cases of the same size on top of each other. This 4-compartment type is the same height as the 3-compartment type I showed earlier, so if you use them side by side, you can keep the height uniform. Lastly, this 6-compartment case is a shallow type. This 6-compartment type is the same width as the 4-compartment type I showed earlier, so you can stack them like this. And since the height of the divider is a little lower, if you set it here, you can slide it like this and use it as is. It moves smoothly, so taking things from the bottom is easy too, right? These simple cases work well in drawers or baskets. You can use them in many places, so if interested, try looking for them. Alright, next is this passport case with a mesh pocket. Yes, this one looks like this. It's a vertical black passport case and it also comes with a strap. This one is the type that can't be removed, and the front of this case has a mesh pocket. And when you open the top zipper, yes, like this, there aren't any pockets inside, it's just a simple pouch. This part feels smooth to the touch. You can use this pouch to carry things like your passport, smartphone, wallet, or wet wipes. Okay, now I'll try putting various things in it, imagining I'm going on a trip. First, a passport, then a travel wallet. Yes, there's still some space. I also bought a smartphone and will add it too. Yes, like this, since this case itself has a bit of depth, it surprisingly fits a lot. It still feels like I can fit a little more in. Now, I'll zip this up. You can also put things like wet wipes in this mesh pocket at the front. Yes, and you can adjust this strap on both sides. You adjust it here. Okay, just like this, I'll try putting it around my neck. Yes, and if you make it longer, you can also wear it across your body like this. Yes, the item itself is surprisingly sturdy. And it can hold a lot, so I think it can be used for many purposes. It's amazing that you can buy this for just 100 yen. It's really great for when you just want to carry the bare minimum with you. And it's also perfect for carrying things you want to keep close to you at all times. As it gets colder, you may want something more relaxed. I think there will be times when you'll wear a knit or throw a jacket over it. And in those situations, you can tuck this bag inside your outerwear or knit. Then you can put the knit on over it like this. Draping something over it or adding an outer layer seems to hide your valuables. Also, you can tuck the strap a bit more inside this mesh pouch and just put it in your travel bag as is. Since the zipper is on top of this case, you can leave it open like this, and it makes it easy to take things in and out. So you can usually keep it in your bag and just take it out when you want to move around lightly. I think it could be useful not just for travel, but also for outdoor activities and things like that. Yes, this is the last one. It's a hanger hook for tension rods. This is an item that lets you hook it onto a tension rod, so the hook stays in place. Yes, this is the product. You can hook this onto a tension rod. This part here acts as a stopper against the wall, so the hook stays securely in place. It can hold up to about 500 grams, so if you hang this on a tension rod, you can use it to hang things like hats or lighter bags. With this, even in limited storage spaces, as long as you can put up a tension rod, you can hang various items. This allows you to make use of dead space for storage. This part is designed to be fixed against the wall, so the tension rod will be positioned here. That means you'll need to install the tension rod a little away from the wall, so if the space for the rod is really tight, there's a possibility that you won't be able to set this up, so please be careful about that when making your purchase. Today I showed the items I bought at Seria. If anything interested you, please look it up yourself. Thanks for watching to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate your support with some hype. Well then, this was Mako Ikeda. Bye bye!